Sugar shows up in daily drinks. It hides in bottles with bright labels. It follows kids to school and sport. Today, we make one clear switch. We move to a simple 3-drink plan for 7 days. Water, plain milk, small age-right juice, or a water fizz with a splash of 100% juice. Why bother with drinks? Added sugars stack up fastest in drinks. Many children and teens took in about 17 teaspoons of added sugars per day in 2017 to 2018. Drinks were a leading source. That number is a signal to act at home. Sugary drink intake is still common. In a 2021 U.S. survey of young children, 36% had sugary drinks 1 to 3 times per week. 21% had them 4 or more times per week. Patterns vary by age and family factors. Home routines still matter. There is a simple health line from global and national guides. Keep free sugars under 10% of energy. Lower than 5% brings extra benefit. Kids 6 to 17 should move at least 60 minutes daily. Home habits help both goals. Drink 1 is water. Make water the default at meals and in backpacks. Place a cold pitcher on the table with orange slices or berries. Keep refill bottles near the door. Use cups at the table. Save straws for fun days. A child who sees water first will often choose it first. AAP and allied groups state that water is the ideal daily drink for kids. Drink 2 is plain milk. Use unflavored low-fat or fat-free for children over 2. Serve with meals. Milk brings protein and calcium. It supports growth and teeth. Flavored milk adds sugars. Keep it as an occasional extra if used at all. These points align with pediatric guidance. Drink 3 is limited juice or water fizz. If you use juice, choose 100% juice. For ages 7 to 18, cap juice at about 8 ounces per day. For ages 4 to 6, keep it to 4 to 6 ounces. Serve juice with meals, not in a carry cup. Many families prefer seltzer with a small splash of juice. This gives flavor with less sugar. Sports or energy drinks are not daily drinks for kids. Most children do not need them. Energy drinks should not be used by children. Sports drinks are for rare endurance needs only. Water covers most play and school sport. Now build the 7-day plan. Day 1. Clear the counter. Put water at eye level in the fridge. Move sodas and sweet teas out of sight. Tell your child the new plan with calm words and a smile. Keep it brief. Day 2. Set milk times. Breakfast and dinner are milk times. Lunch can be water. This lowers passive sugar intake. It also builds a steady routine. Day 3. Replace the car drink. Pack a small water bottle for rides. If your child asks for flavor, add lemon slices. Or pour seltzer with a splash of juice in a clear cup at home. Day 4. Reset the after-school window. Children arrive thirsty and hungry. Offer water first, then a balanced snack you already planned. Thirst no longer turns into sweet drinks by habit. Day 5. Make a menu note for weekends. Parties will happen. Joy stays on the table. Keep water and milk as the base. If juice is served, pour a small cup, then move on. Return to the routine at the next meal. Day 6. Teach a simple label scan. Look for words like sugar, syrup, nectar. Explain that many fruit drinks are not fruit juice. Help your child place a drink back on the shelf. Then walk away together. Day 7. Review and celebrate effort. Ask your child what drink felt best. Praise the routine. Praise the teamwork. Plan week 2 with the same base. Add new fruits for the pitcher. Keep the habit light and repeatable. Add 2 guardrails to help the swap stick. First guardrail. Juice has limits by age. Offer whole fruit more often than juice. Second guardrail. Energy drinks are off the table for kids. Sports drinks are rarely needed. Water remains the base. These lines match pediatric policy. Let us mark progress with simple visuals. Use a weekly fridge chart with 7 boxes. Each day has 3 check spots. Water with meals, milk with meals, juice within limits or water fizz. Check the boxes together after dinner. Here are 2 quick facts for parents. Free sugars under 10% of energy links to better oral and weight outcomes. That is a policy line from the World Health Organization. Second, many kids still drink sugary drinks each week. Home routines can lower that rate. Your kitchen can start today. If you worry about growth or medical issues, contact your pediatrician. Ask for support that focuses on habits, sleep, and family routines. Ask for a plan that fits your child and culture. You are allowed to set the tone at home. This week, try one swap per day. Put water on the table. Set milk times. Cap juice. Skip sports and energy drinks. Keep the tone warm. Kids follow calm energy. Small wins stack into real change. Call to action. Subscribe for more family-friendly health guides. Tell me which swap you will try tonight. Share this with a friend who wants a calmer kitchen. This video is educational only. For your child's specific care, please consult a pediatrician.